Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2008 Harley-Davidson Road King with only 20,530 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a TRIKE kit, mechanical reverse, chrome front wheel, primary cover, Avon grips, tour pack hardware, luggage rack, Harley dual view mirrors, flush mount fuel cap, detachable driver backrest, headlight and passing lamp trim rings, front turn signal trim rings, Harley-Davidson speedometer, shifter pegs, passenger footrests, pinstriping, and an oil temperature gauge. It comes equipped with cruise control and ABS, but the ABS is inoperable due to the TRIKE kit. The Road King is a middle step between large tours and smaller cruisers, doing the work of both competently and comfortably. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Road King puts 92 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 777 pounds and has a 27.3 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.